Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will look at H-Lookup in Excel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe now and click like on the video. Don't forget to drop your comment. Thank you. Just like we explained during the VLOOKUP, Excel will look through the first column in VLOOKUP. So also we have H-Lookup, which is horizontal lookup. With this, Excel will search through rows, looking from the first row and return whatever you return from the other rows. Let's see how it works. Here we have the stock ID number in rows and the names in the second row. Now we want Excel to return the product name when each of the stock ID is selected. We have equals to H-Lookup. So our lookup value in this case is stock ID, comma. Then our table array have then function F4, comma, the row index. Now we want our answer to come from row 2, so we put the row index number, which is 2, comma 0, which is approximate match. And you close the bracket. So we have our answer to be apple. So if you see 201 is apple, then let's copy our formula down. So we have 203 to be guava, 206 not available, and 207 not available. Just like we did under VLOOKUP, you wrap this in if error. If error, what do you want the there to do? Just nothing. Then you copy this. So you see that when the number are not available, Excel will return nothing. So that's how H-Lookup works in Excel.